The position will look differently for the Colts next year. Foles fakes it to no one in particular and now throws a pick. Intercepted by Michael Davis. And Davis with a nice return. Going to be brought down by Woods near the 42. Davis gets his first and a takeaway by this Chargers defense.
Well, we talked about it. The mindset for Nick Foles all week has been about trying to create some shots down the field, and he gets some pressure. He's trying to navigate that and then throw off his back foot with no opportunity whatsoever. Got Paris Campbell, who was taking the deep post, Jelani Woods, but Davis, who's playing over the top of all of it, was right there.